What is up, guys? Jerry here with a new video. Right now we're gonna go in the Saab to go pick up some of the boys. We're gonna go pick up Marco. You guys know Marco. And yeah, let's see what the date has in store for us. Alright guys, so we got the boys in the back filming. That nigga bleeding. They just got fucked up today. They had a game yesterday. That shit was buns. But, you know, now we gotta go drop this thing off.
I'm back. I miss you guys.
Shut up, nigga.
I've just been really busy. But I can't say I was free after school. How can I say it? I was free after school, but you see, so I called this man to come pick me up. So you're, bro, that should be a day, bro, for the vlog. Like, at an intro, bro. Y'all let us know what y'all think about that.
That's the intro. What the fuck is this? I'm not fucking Mexican.
Too bad, my nigga. You hanging out with the Mexican, you about to listen to that Mexican eat. You feel me?
Your future wife finna be Mexican too, my nigga.
You feel me? Your future wife, bro, she is finna be.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, pues qué mal. They finna be blasting that in the parties and stuff. Every day.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and go down to the shop. I wasn't gonna go to the shop today, but you know, freak it. I have things to do over there. I have things that I have to get done, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. We're gonna go put some gas, maybe get a bite to eat, and we're gonna start heading over there. Alright guys, so we went ahead and got some Mickey D's, you feel me? And we got that Coke, but yeah. After this, we're gonna go put some gas and we're gonna be heading into the shop. Alright, so tell me how I go to that gas station right there, right? And I walk in, I'm like, can I get fuzz on pump 12? And she was like, bro, we're out of gas. I'm like, what do you mean? How you run out of gas, dude? Alright, so now we're at a Sitco though. We're at a Sitco, trying to get some gas. Feel me? Gang gang. Okay guys, so we have made it to the shop, but before we go inside, I want you guys to hit that like button, you know, support the channel, go subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and yeah, let's go ahead and go in there. Ooh, what is that, boys? Damn, I haven't been here in a minute. Alright, let's get started on what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna start off with today. I'm gonna try to wax the hatch trunk part on the Saabaru, and oh shoot, And I'm also gonna try to oh, I know this is gonna work. I've used it before. It's for shining like titanium and all that stuff. I'm gonna try to shine the exhaust tip and the whole exhaust, to be honest, the catback, and yeah. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll guide you guys through it. Okay, guys, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little like there's scuffs like faded parts on the back rear end of the Saabaru. You can see them more right there. To be honest, I'm not even sure if this is gonna work on it. Like, I'm not sure, but it's wax, so I'm gonna try at least to make it look better than what it is, because if you can see right here, it actually looks worse on camera because it's not that bad. Like, it looks pretty white, but it's not that bad in real life. But yeah, let's go ahead and try to do this real quick, and then we're gonna get onto the exhaust. Okay guys, so you're gonna want to have the surface that you're gonna wax. You're gonna want it clean. So I got a microfiber towel. Well, you should wash your car, but you know your boy's been too lazy for that. So, and I just washed it. Okay, next what you're gonna want to do is get a little bit of it, get a little bit of the turtle wax, and then start rubbing it in. You want to go circular motion at all times, because if you go straight back and forward, you can see the line. When you go round, when you go in a circular motion, you can see it less. You can't really see it. It actually comes out really good. Okay, so that's how it would look. It would look like you're going around in circles, like little loops. You can see it looks like it's going around in little loops. Then you're gonna want to get like a rag or something. If you get a like something like a cloth or something, a rag. I have a microfiber towel. When you see that you got where you want it polished and all circled and stuff, you can go ahead and start wiping it off. But still in a circular motion.
Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of closet bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat surround the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind. Thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running. Wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior. Have me lost in light speed.
Okay guys, you see how dirty that shit is right now? You gotta see it in a bit. Where's the compound at? So what you're gonna wanna do is open it real quick, obviously. It's like cotton, so you're gonna want to get a little piece, rip it off. Okay. And then just start rubbing it on the exhaust. See all that dirt, nasty stuff. Gotta get it in there. Okay. Clean the inside. Let me show you guys the inside before. That's the inside before. You see how black it is? Look. That black stuff. That's all black stuff. That's where my bumper was melting a little bit. But yeah, look at all this black stuff. And after we use that, you're gonna see a big difference. Okay, so let's keep doing that. See that, guys? That black stuff. Look at that. Need some more. Alright guys, so my phone had died while I was recording that last clip, but yeah, I kind of finished cleaning it. Wait, hold on, let me turn on the flashlight. Yeah, so look at the difference. Look at all that shine. Look at that shine. Ooh. Compared to what it was before. Wait, hold on. Put on my hat real quick. Compared to what it was before, that's actually pretty good. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now, right here, and make sure you guys give a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and just wait for more content. You know, I'm gonna try to keep giving out more content every day, and if you can, support the channel. You know, share this channel. Also, just keep grinding, you know? Peace.